Hi everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 27 of the Organizing Spring Fling. So today I'm going to do the last of the processing modalities that I'm going to address, and the one that I'd like to address tonight is the kinesthetic processing. So somebody who feels that they primarily interact with their environment and understand their environment kinesthetically would be somebody who could use that towards their organizing experience. In other words, they're going to want to keep moving. They're going to want there to be some action and some activity associated with organizing. This is one of the harder ones that I find for working with clients. It's a bit more of a challenge, and it may well be a bit more of a challenge for you as well. It doesn't mean it's impossible. But one of the things that's most important to remember is that when you are a kinesthetic individual, or when you're interacting mostly with the environment or understanding your environment kinesthetically, you just need to keep moving. So staring at something and expecting it to suddenly get into your brain is not going to work. You're going to need to touch it to pull it off the shelf. You're going to need to fold it, to toss it, to move it. So one of the things for filing, for example, I encourage individuals, if they believe that they're more kinesthetic or if they appear to be more kinesthetic, move the filing cabinet a little bit further away from your desk so that, in fact, you get up and move to get things into the filing cabinet. And believe it or not, although intuitively it seems counterproductive, it's actually very helpful because the act of getting up and moving over to the filing cabinet is what helps to get things filed. When you are, you may find with kids tend to be very kinesthetic, although it may not be their primary processing modality. So give them lots of opportunity for tossing and dropping into baskets or bins, take the tops off, allow them their basketball practice or volleyball practice, or just trying to target into the top of whatever it is that they're trying to get it into. Okay, so I hope that's helpful, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Bye now.